Welcome to AutoNervex. Today, we climb into the king of high-performance luxury SUVs, the 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63. A vehicle that refuses to compromise, blending brute force, iconic design, and cutting-edge technology into one commanding machine. From the outside, the G63 remains unmistakable. Boxy, bold, and unapologetically aggressive, with subtle updates for 2025. New Matrix LED headlights, a redesigned Panamericana grille, aero-optimized bumpers, and flush-mounted door handles, all while keeping that classic G-Wagen DNA intact. Under the hood, still a monster. A handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8, now paired with a 48-volt mild hybrid system, delivering a combined up to 585 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. It rockets from 0 to 100 km per hour in just 4.3 seconds, in a 2.5-ton SUV. All that power is channeled through a 9-speed AMG speedshift transmission and permanent 4MATIC plus all-wheel drive. But the G63 isn't just about power, it's about presence. 22-inch forged wheels, flared arches, side-exit exhausts that growl with signature AMG drama, and adaptive suspension that lets you glide through cities or crawl up mountains without missing a beat. Inside, it's a fortress of opulence. Nappa leather everywhere, carbon fiber accents, and ambient lighting in 64 colors. The latest MBUX system spans a curved display, offering augmented reality navigation, voice control, and seamless smartphone integration. Heated, cooled, massaging seats, front and rear, ensure comfort in every climate. And the tech, next level. Advanced driver assistance, off-road modes, and even an optional AMG Trail package with underbody protection and raised ground clearance. The 2025 Mercedes-AMG G63 is more than a luxury SUV. It's a performance icon, a status symbol, a beast in a tailored suit, built to conquer anything and look flawless doing it. Luxury has muscle. Power has class. Only here, at AutoNervex.